Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When a Frigidaire gallery ice maker starts behaving unpredictably like stopping mid-cycle, not dispensing ice, or showing inconsistent operation, a reset is often the quickest way to bring it back to normal. These machines rely on internal timing and sensors to manage each stage of ice production, and if that sequence gets interrupted, the system can get stuck. Instead of digging into complex fixes, resetting the unit allows everything to restart from a clean state. Many users overlook this simple step, but it can resolve a wide range of issues in just a few minutes. The important part is doing the reset properly so the system fully clears any temporary faults. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset your Frigidaire Gallery ice maker the right way. Try these. Step 1. Switch off the ice maker and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Leave the unit unplugged for a few minutes to clear internal memory. Step 3. Remove all ice from the bin and empty the water reservoir. Step 4. Plug the ice maker back into the power source. Step 5. Press the power button to restart the machine. Step 6. Let a full ice making cycle run and confirm normal operation.